In this module section of our course, we will create a fully functioning Struts 2 enterprise application. This application will allow an insurance agency administrator to create, read, update, or delete insurance agents in the MariaDB database. This is the high-level architecture diagram of our Struts 2 Insurance Agent Administration application. As you can see, the front end is a series of JSP pages that include Struts 2 forms. These forms interact with Struts 2 actions and action methods. These action methods then in their turn interacts with the Spring JDBC template middle tier in order to perform populate, read, update, and delete methods on the database tables in the MariaDB database. This will be a high-level overview of all of the tutorials in this module section. First, we will create the application using the Maven WAR Archetype. Then we will change this archetype to a Struts 2 web application. We will write the login action and their interceptors. Then we will set up and populate our MariaDB. We will start with our CRUD section by listing the insurance agents with the Spring JDBC template. Then we'll add the functionality to create insurance agents using the Spring JDBC template. Next up, we will add functionality to update the insurance agents. And we will implement the delete insurance agents with the Spring JDBC template in the middle tier as well.